Welcome to Vinindin Academy. In this video, we're walking you through the complete step-by-step process of setting up a 20 kilowatts grid-tied solar system. Perfect for large homes, small businesses, farms, or anyone with high energy needs. Let's get started. Step 1. Calculate your energy needs. Before you do anything, calculate your average daily and monthly electricity usage. A 20 kilowatt system typically produces around 80 to 100 kilowatt hours per day, depending on your location. Check your past electricity bills and ensure this system size matches your consumption. Step 2. Assess your roof or installation space. A 20 kilowatt system needs a lot of space, usually around 100 to 120 square meters or more. You'll need a strong roof, open land, or a commercial-grade structure with minimal shading. Make sure it faces south or west for maximum efficiency. Step 3. Choose the right solar panels. For a 20 kilowatt system, you'll need about 40 to 50 solar panels, depending on their wattage. If you choose 500 watt panels, you'll need 40 of them. If you're using 400 watt panels, you'll need 50. Select high-efficiency panels from a reliable brand with at least a 25-year warranty. Step 4. Select the inverter for grid-tied systems. You can use a central string inverter or multiple smaller inverters. In this case, you'll need either one 20 kilowatts inverter or two 10 kilowatts inverters. If your system is large and complex, consider using hybrid inverters that are battery-ready for future upgrades. Make sure your inverter is approved by your local utility provider. Step 5. Design the system layout. Work with your installer or use design software to plan the physical layout of your panels. Group panels by orientation, minimize shading, and plan the wiring routes. Also decide where your inverter, combiner box, and safety disconnects will be located. Step 6. Get permits and utility approval. Before installation, apply for all necessary permits. This usually includes a building permit, electrical permit, and utility interconnection agreement. Some areas may require an engineer's stamp or local inspection before connecting to the grid. Step 7. Install mounting structures. Once approved, begin with the racking or mounting system. Install rails on the roof or ground mount supports. Make sure they're level, secure, and properly grounded. Step 8. Install the solar panels next. Mount the solar panels on the racking. Connect them in strings, usually 10 to 15 panels per string, depending on your inverter specs. Make sure all electrical connections are tight, weatherproof, and safe. Step 9. Connect the inverter and system components. Connect the strings to the inverter, and then wire the inverter to your electrical service panel. Install safety disconnects, surge protection, breakers, and any required monitoring devices. Step 10. Final inspection and grid connection. After installation, your system must pass inspection. Once approved, your utility will give permission to operate. Your system can now send excess energy back to the grid and earn credits through net metering. Bonus tip: add monitoring and maintenance. Use a monitoring system to track daily production and system health. Clean your panels occasionally and schedule maintenance every few years to keep things running smoothly. To summarize, here are the 10 key steps. Calculate energy needs. Assess installation space. Choose high-efficiency solar panels. Select the right inverter setup. Design your layout. Get permits and approvals. Install mounting structures. Mount and connect solar panels. Complete inverter and electrical wiring. Pass inspection and connect to the grid. Thanks for watching Vinindin Academy. If this guide helped you understand the setup process, please like, share, and subscribe for more step-by-step solar tutorials. And let us know in the comments. Would you install a 20 kilowatt system for your home or business?